Oh, good morning. It's Travels with Dottie, and I have another walk-in video. And I'm still working real hard to try to work out the kinks of this this little hover camera and the Bluetooth audio that I'm doing. And it's a lot of hit or miss, trial by fire, and hopefully I'm getting really close to having everything worked out. Anyway, it's the 9th of February 2024, and it's a Friday. I got a busy day today. I've got sessions for work, so not a lot of time to do videos today. Tomorrow's a big day. Cheryl and I are traveling to Phoenix to pick up Jim. Jim has been away in Canada for 10 days on a work assignment, and he's flying in tonight. He's staying in a hotel. We're going to pick him up Saturday morning. While I'm there, I'm going to do a couple of things. I'm going to go to the Levi warehouse and see if they can fit an old man like me into jeans that look like they might fit versus these things I've been wearing. Um, uh, and then we're going to go to Office Depot, and I'm going to look at office chairs to replace the plastic chair you might have seen in my video yesterday. That I have a plastic chair at my desk I use. It's been good, but you know what? I could be more comfortable. So um, we're going to give that a try. And then Cheryl and Jim may have places they want to stop in Phoenix. So it's going to be, and it's a 2 hour drive there, 2 hour drive back. We'll be there probably 4 hours. So 8 to 10 hour day on the road tomorrow. And I'm going to do a lot of filming of it. So we'll have a nice little video about our day trip to Phoenix. And let's see, it is 9 o'clock. And well, I just saw curtains move over in Tim's rig there. That means Tim's up. I had a little mishap yesterday. Take a look at this. I'm going to put it up on the screen. I happened to be at the time monitoring my solar, and I was getting great solar, and suddenly it just stops. Everything goes to zero. So I got out my multimeter. I started at the solar panels. I'm getting good voltage in. I'm getting good voltage all the way to the plug that goes into the side of the rig that goes into the solar controller, and everything looked good. And then at the solar controller, things seemed to go wrong. And there's not much light in there, so I wasn't able to really see this damage. But take a look at this. Um, this is the result of a bad connection. And this is my fault. It's not Victron's fault. It's no one's fault but mine that I should have been checking those connections to make sure they're tight and good. There's stuff moving in and out of that bay where that is. So the connection got loose over time. And you know what happens with loose connections? It generates a lot of heat and it does damage. And there's just really no practical way to repair the damage on this thing. Um, I'm going to give it to Jim, and Jim might be able to repair it. He's kind of a master at that. But I needed to replace it, so I went into town to Solar Bills, bought an identical one. Tim helped me put it in, and everything's good. And I bought this. Turns out there's this custom. Victron sells a plastic mount for the bottom of it, just for installations like mine, where there's a lot of movement in and out of the compartment where the stuff is, and it's 30 bucks. I'll put that up on the screen here. You can see that, and that will solve my problem. But that doesn't mean I don't need to take it off periodically and test those connections. That's a big deal. If you have any kind of solar system, check your connections, make sure they're tight, get on a routine schedule. Don't be like me and not perform proper maintenance and lose money unnecessarily. Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow on the next video. As always, I appreciate the time you take. Guys, I got cut off. The dolly track stops working. It shuts off when you stop moving. So I put it in hover mode so I could tell you from the bottom of my heart how much I appreciate the value of your time that you give to watch my videos. It means a lot to me. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.